Is your Kia or Hyundai at risk? If you own a Kia or Hyundai model from 2010 to 2020 with a Theta II engine, whether it's a 2.0L, 2.4L, or 1.6L, then this is a must-watch. Engine issues could be lurking, and Carl's Garage is here to help. The Theta II engine is notorious for problems like knocking, seizing, and even complete failure. Many owners have faced denied warranty claims, but you don't have to go through this alone. If you've been denied an engine replacement, Carl's Garage has got your back. When you purchase my book, Carl's Garage, The Ultimate Guide to Vehicle Maintenance and Repair, I'll personally send you a link to a folder full of printable documents to help you fight for your rights. Click the link in the description to order your copy. Don't wait. Take control of your vehicle's future today. When you buy the book, you'll get access to a folder of resources to help you navigate denied engine replacements. Print them out and use them to advocate for your vehicle. With Carl's Garage, you're not just buying a book, you're gaining the tools and knowledge to protect your investment. Click the link in the description and take the first step toward peace of mind.